let me tell you.
Okay, once somebody says you are from Guinea, he don't bear Benin name. He don't speak Benin language.
Yes.
And you keep saying you are from Guinea.
But let me tell you how it all started. At least two reasons that gave rise to that kind of crisis, identity crisis. One is what I know that I've been witness myself. During the war, many people were killed in Asaba massacre, and then in the various communities. At that point, they told us, including myself, that if we see any Nigerian soldiers, we should tell them that we are from Benin.
Oh, they told you people.
They told them. I was told, along with my cousins.
In every conflict, there are those who fight, those who flee, and those who wait to see who will win before choosing a side. During the Nigerian Civil War, the core Southeast paid the price of identity. The world watched a people bombed, starved, broke, yet they held onto one name, Igbo. But across the Niger, in Anioma land, another story was unfolding. They did not stand with the Igbo when the prize was broad. But today, when the reward is political advantage, they want full inclusion, a seat at the table, and the 6th Southeast states. And so a simple but painful question has returned. If you refuse to suffer with a people when they were breeding, should you now belong with them when they are rising? This is not tribal hatred. This is historical accountability. When the war broke out in 1967, Anioma leaders publicly argued, "We are not Biafrans. We are Midwestern Igbos, not Easterners." They distanced themselves from the struggle. They rejected ethnic alignment to avoid